Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 C300 4MATIC. This one is a Designeal Cardinal Red Metallic. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the AMG Sportline, which is going to give you 19-inch multi-spoke AMG wheels, AMG exterior and interior appearance, night package with a front black splitter, black mirror covers, and black rear diffuser. Lighting package with adaptive high beam assist and full LED headlamps and tail lamps. Interior package with crystal gray leather interior with a gray wood trim. Panorama sunroof. Rear spoiler. C300 4MATIC badging. This does also come with the hands-free package. You can swipe your foot and the tailgate opens. AMG floor mats. This does come with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, illuminated door sill, Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, memory seats, steering wheel control with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifter for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. Multimedia package with navigation and voice command. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 59,665 miles, lots of ton extras, upgraded under the C-Class. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.